Welcome to EduInteract AI Digital Hub. In this video, you will learn how to start bioinformatics from zero, even if you are a complete beginner. Have you ever wondered how scientists use computers to study DNA, genes, and diseases? Bioinformatics is the use of computers and data tools to understand biological information. It is used in disease research, drug discovery, vaccine design, and many areas of modern science. Bioinformatics helps scientists track diseases and compare genetic information across organisms. You do not need to be an expert to start. Anyone with an interest can learn bioinformatics. All you need is basic biology, simple computer skills, and a willingness to learn. Start by understanding DNA, genes, proteins, and how they function. Next, learn the types of biological data, such as DNA sequences and genomes. Become familiar with important databases like NCBI, UniProt, and GenBank. BLAST allows you to compare sequences and easily identify unknown genes. Python is a great programming language to support your bioinformatics journey. Understanding results and interpreting data are key parts of bioinformatics. If coding feels difficult, you can start with platforms like Galaxy. Follow a simple roadmap. Learn, practice, and improve, step by step. Practice regularly with small projects to build confidence. A simple project is to retrieve a DNA sequence, run BLAST, and analyze the result. Challenges are normal, but they can be overcome with patience. Start simple and stay consistent. That is the key. Bioinformatics opens doors to research, industry, and global opportunities. The future of biology is data-driven, and bioinformatics is at the center. You can start small and grow step by step. EduInteract AI is here to guide your learning journey. Subscribe now and begin your bioinformatics journey today.